Kawasaki has been teasing big changes, and for 2026, they've delivered. The new KX450 isn't just updated, it's re-engineered from the ground up. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest bikes with straight talk and real-world insight. Design. Right out of the gate, the 2026 KX450 looks meaner and leaner. Kawasaki's new bodywork is slimmer, sharper, and built for movement. The redesigned radiator shrouds and seat profile give riders a more connected feel, and the switch to a hydraulic clutch system means smoother lever action and better control under pressure. Performance. The big story? A brand new engine. The 449 cubic centimeters power plant now delivers stronger mid-range torque and improved throttle response across the board. Whether you're blasting out of corners or launching off jumps, the new KX450 pulls hard and stays planted. Paired with revised chassis geometry and improved mass centralization, the bike feels incredibly balanced and precise at speed. Features and technology. Tech-wise, Kawasaki stepped it up. The KX450 now features on-the-fly mapping via a handlebar switch, and it comes standard with traction control and launch control. The new Brembo front brake setup is a welcome upgrade, offering sharper bite and more confidence on corner entry. Suspension is still handled by the proven Showa components, but tuned for more comfort without sacrificing race day performance. Conclusion. The 2026 KX450 is everything you expect from a top-tier 450, and more. It's faster, smarter, and easier to ride than ever. If you're looking to step up your game, this bike should be at the top of your list. Enjoyed this breakdown? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more no-nonsense insights on the latest motocross machines. Thanks for watching, see you at the gate.